how to do the martini glass. This one is very popular, and it's one of the upright type moves that's just so cute. So I've shown you moves that this one is kind of built off of. So if you're comfortable with an outside leg hang, this one should be absolute cake for you because it's upright. Also, if you're comfortable with elbow holds that are upright, this should really be easy for you. So here we go without further ado. And if it's not easy for you, you will build the toughness up in your skin for it to get easier. So it will get easier. Do not feel like there's something amiss if it's not, if you don't get this one out the gate. Everybody's body is different. Everybody responds differently to different pole moves too. There are some pole moves that you've never seen me do. You might not even see me do them for these tutorials. So, okay, now here I go. Martini glass. You're going to climb it up. You're going to get into a position where you can hold like so. And instead of going like this to make the one leg hang, this leg is going to be left in front of the pole. You're going to take your elbow, grab it around so that you can grab your leg. Don't I look like I'm sitting in a martini glass now? All right. Other side. Oh, so when you're done, you can do whatever. Take it into split. Take it into one leg hang. Okay? Little thread the needle action, you can do that. If you can make it smooth. Okay? All right. So, let's say you don't want to do a thread the needle. So you've got to come up with a way to get to that position. There's a couple ways you can get into the leg bent on the pole. One way is you can do it the hard way. Up, hook, come up, bring the leg around, and all that. It's not really going to help your spin. But, it's a theme of variation. It's one way to do it. What I would do, if I knew for sure that this was the move I was going to do, martini glass, I would come up, I would spin the pole, I would climb it up once, and then I would allow myself to come off and hook on like so. Then I would go and bring my arm around and grab my leg. As you can see, this is close to Jeannie. It's friends with Jeannie. That's why you can kind of just jump into Jeannie to get to the martini glass.